Saturday morning fabrics, $14.99. You guys, I'm bringing you some beauties. This is a scuba, great color, cotton poly, stretch in both directions. Lovely, lovely. Whatever you do with it, you will love it. It's great fabric, great color, good for spring. Then I did some whites, because whites are so popular right now. And this first one is a linen. It's a white linen. It's beautiful. It's a little bit see-through, but gosh, if you did a blouse or a little dress, you could just wear a little slip underneath it, or if you did pants, you could do 2 layers, just really super woven linen. And then I did a cotton. And this 100% cotton is beautiful also. Not quite a see-through, believe it or not, but still beautiful, lightweight, wonderful for layers. So I'm thinking all of these for layers. Spring has so many beautiful layers in it. This is a cotton poly. It's a polka dot tone on tone. Isn't that pretty? Great drape. It's just a lovely little fabric. $14.99. This is just a wonderful snuggle up in your house, stay warm fabric. It's a gray flannel. Not a flannel, it's a sweat, sweats fabric. It's a knit. It's got stretch in one direction, gray on one side. A nice, gosh, it's soft. It's really soft. And this last one I want to kind of introduce. This is a Lyocell. And Lyocell is made from the eucalyptus plant. It is like a viscose, except it is 99% recyclable. So everything that goes into making it is recyclable, pretty much everything. So Lyocell is what the Italians are moving toward, as opposed to viscose, because it's so much more environmentally friendly. And it's wonderful. It's soft. It doesn't wrinkle. I mean, it's beautiful. But it is a wood fiber, a wood derivative, and it's just lovely. The background on this is kind of like a deep green color. It's really beautiful. $14.99. That's so he gave me a good price so you could try it out, but I think it's going to be worth way more. But anyway, $14.99 today and tomorrow. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.